Hazrat Zainab, the daughter of Abu Salama, narrates that Hazrat Habiba radiyallahu anha, the daughter of Hazrat Abu Sufyan, told her that she submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you may marry my sister, the daughter of Hazrat Abu Sufyan radiyallahu anhu. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, do you like it? I said, yes, I alone am not with you, and I wish to make my sister my co-sharer in this good. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, it is not lawful for me. I submitted, we have heard that you wish to marry the daughter of Hazrat Abu Salama. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, Abu Salama's daughter? I submitted, yes. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, even if she had not been my stepdaughter, she would not have been lawful for me, for she is my niece through wet nursing, for Suwaiba had nursed me as well as Abu Salama. So you must not present me your daughters and sisters. Urwa says, Suwaiba was the slave girl of Abu Lahab. When Abu Lahab manumitted her, she wet nursed the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When Abu Lahab had died, some of his kins, Hazrat Abbas radiyallahu anhu, saw him in extremely miserable condition. He was asked, what happened to you? Abu Lahab replied, since my departure from you, I have been caught in harsh torment, with only exception that I am provided with water for drinking from here on account of liberating Thuwaiba. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5101.